This retaining wall was built on extremely sloped land using strong, long-lasting McLaren sleepers, ideal for tough terrain like this. Behind the wall, we've installed a heavy-duty PVC drainage fabric, along with an AGI pipe and a layer of gravel to allow proper water flow and prevent any pressure buildup over time. Given the site's exposure to high winds, we added 65 by 65 mm powder-coated posts, all welded securely to the retaining wall's I-beams. Between the posts, we installed corrugated steel sheets, not just for protection from wind, but also for a clean, modern look. This setup combines solid drainage, structural integrity, and weather resistance, making it a practical and professional solution for challenging sites. Contact us to provide the best quotes for your project from our professional team.